Hello everybody, it's ID1 here. In today's video, we are doing Dragon Ball Z Xenoverse 2. In this video, we're going to do some offline battles, and I'm going to show you some characters I've made. And we're going to battle a couple of them. So, here we go. Do a free battle, one-on-one. Play with my character. Okay. So I created the ninjas for Mortal Kombat. I mean, close enough. I've seen some people make this is how they kind of made them. Got Sub-Zero right here. I've got Noob Saibot. I've got Smoke, Reptile, Rain, Scorpion, and then Ermac. So I have pretty much the 7 ninjas. I don't have Tremor on here. I don't have enough character slots to put them on, or I put them on there too. So, but yeah, I did that. So we're gonna do some verse fights with them. So we're gonna take on Rain, and we're gonna fight him in the tournament. Okay. Alright. Oh, shoot. He came right in there quick. Fire. Oh. Oh. Ah! That was a... I can't... Okay, I try to get away from him, and I can't get away. Fire! Rain came to fight. That's what that was. He came to fight. Alright. But, as you can see, for Rain, I kind of gave him Milky Cannon, Sunstorm, Endless Shoot, Eagle Kick. He doesn't have any, like, a water-like ability or anything, but I tried to find stuff that would kind of go with him. I just used mainly like purplish like attacks, and I gave him for an ultimate. I kind of used full power energy blast volley for like the Rain kind of like water blast type thing, and then I used the Neo Tri-Beam Cannon as another ultimate of his. Just because I think the Neo Tri-Beam kind of looks like, to me, the color of it kind of looks like a waterish blast, so I kind of figured that would work well with him. And then the Eagle Kick, since he has that one power kick that he could do, like the 360 power kick that like knocks you across the back towards the map, I used the Eagle Kick for that. So. And then next we're going up against Smoke. Now for Smoke, I tried to find some interesting ones for him. Not too much. I did Faint Crush, Shadow Crusher, Tri-Beam, Solar Flare, Spirit Ball, Full Power Energy Blast Volley. I did Fake Blast for him. Yeah, it's kind of hard to find stuff for Smoke, but that's kind of what I went with on his combination. For Scorpion, I did Finish Buster. I tried to use a lot of Hellfire-ish type close enough abilities as I could. I use Finish Buster, Evil Explosion. Evil Explosion was kind of like a flame blast. Energy Shot, which is the Innocence Cannon, Explosive Assault, and then Hell Flash. Because the thing with Explosive Assault, that was just going to be a temporary ultimate, because I think I'm going to use Pycon's Thunder Flash ability as an ultimate. I think I'm pretty sure he has that as an ultimate. That's what I'm going to use for that ultimate. And then I use Android 16's Hell Flash, the little blast ability that goes in different directions. I figured that was a kind of cool one for Scorpion. And then I use Super Explosive Wave, which is kind of a flamish ability that kind of works with him there too. So, for Ermac, since he has like greenish like abilities, I use pretty much every green ability as I could for him. There's still a lot of stuff I need to find for him though to kind of complete him. But overall, I did okay. For Reptile, I did Perfect Shot, Blaster Shell, Doria's Beam. Since he could spit acid, I figured a blast from his mouth could be close enough for the acid that he could spit out. I threw Orin Combo, Scatter Kamehameha. I couldn't find much with those Scorpion other than green abilities. I mean, unlock more, but I'll do some adjustments with some of these characters of like their abilities later when I get stuff. And then for Sub-Zero, I got Freezing Beam. I used Big Bang Attack for him, Rocket Tackle. So instead of his Ice Slide he could do, I just did the Rocket Tackle, which I thought would be Die Missile Garage, kind of shooting a bunch of icicles would be kind of cool. I still need another ability for him, and I kind of complete. But the Freezing Beam, I kind of got him at least. And then I used, but for his ultimate, he has like the perfect Kamehameha. So for now, and then for new Cybots, I got Faint Crusher, Shadow Crusher, Sudden Storm, Death Slicer, Crusher Volcano, Vacation Delete, and Spirit Slash as his abilities. So there's a lot I need to kind of work with, but I'll get to it eventually. Okay, we're gonna do my same character again against Smoke. Alright, we'll do another tournament again. I used to do too bad, like creating them and stuff. I tried to find some pretty close enough, because I know people that were like creating them and stuff. That was what they used, was like the Freezer Race. So okay. Smoke. There we go. Blast with the Kamehameha. Alright. That was pretty fun. But yeah, that's what I did. Of course, though, I had a villain I was making, but I kind of wanted to put I kind of wanted to put them on here because I thought they'd be kind of cool to have play around with and stuff. Still got a long way to go though. Yeah. Tried to find some stuff as I could, but I didn't really find much. But yeah, there's some abilities I need unlocked just so I can kind of complete their skill set just right. Because some of them I'm gonna do some adjustments to. But till then, that's pretty much what I have. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Just kind of wanted to share and show a little bit with that, so that was kind of fun. Post a comment section below, and if you guys want to see me do like a series of like Goku versus like the Mortal Kombat ninjas, let me know in the comment section below. Might do a full-on video of him fighting off against the ninjas and stuff. So that'd be kind of fun. Just to kind of do a little bit of a custom fights there. So, like I said, just comment section below, and if you like this video, like button, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as always. I will see you on the next video. Goodbye!